Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to show you a tutorial on how to change page turn effect on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, so you can see that the page turn effect on this phone is quietly simple, and now I would like to change it guys. So how to do that? It's quietly easy. So yeah, now you can long press on the blank screen on the desktop like this until the menu is appear, and then now go to settings menu guys. You can click for it, and then here you can click for appearance, and then now you can turn the page turn effect guys. You can click for it, so now you can give it try one by one. I will try for tumble. So yeah, this is the final look. Okay, now I will try another effect guys. So yeah, here I will try for rotate, and then now let's give it try. So yeah, this is the final look of rotate page turn effect, and now I will choose the cube. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and yeah, I will choose this. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to change page turn effect on Infinix Smart 8, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel, and thank you so much for watching.